umusa wakamseleku ngomhla ka4 kuOctober kule nyanga le ezothwasa ngizobe ngihamba nabakwa Old Mutual silapha elangeni eThekwini bathi semaharanya ngizokhuluma namadoda because indoda enesithembu indoda engenaso isithembu kubalekile ukuthi ibe newill manje sizokhuluma ngale nto nabakwa Old Mutual kuyenzeka indoda enesithembu njengami ibe nayo iwill kuyenzeka futhi ngabe nayo kodwa iwill idingwa yibona wonke umuntu nje ophefumulayo nophilayo because ungaba ne-girlfriend lo ifihlile nengane lo ifihlile kodwa ikhiphe linye imali ekupheleni kwenyanga sithi ke sifuna ukuzokhuluma ngalokho sifuna ukuzokhuluma ngewill nabakwa Old Mutual ngomhla ka4 kuOctober nakanjani ngo10 sengizobe ngilapha eThekwini elangeni.
Hello guys and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I'll absolutely appreciate it. So before I continue, I hope nizwile ukuthi kuhlanganwa kuphi nini kuyokhulunywa ngendaba zamawili. If you know anyone who needs to hear this selingabalayela ke ukuthi kuyohlanganwa babamsele kwabafundise ngokuqhakatheka kwamawili lalokuthi bawathola njani. Anyways guys, so I was going through the comment section kababamseleko under this video and I came across this comment. I'm going to put it here so that you can read for yourself, but basically the person was saying that Obabamsele was supposed to leave usne epikashe because amakhosikazi akhe amthandisisi kahle usne, particularly wazi wathi khona bamncisha nama-role. I guess this was directed to uMangwabe owachingela usne ukuthi wayedle i-role lakhe. But anyways guys, I feel like usne angazi guys. Okay, that was not the only comment. There was another comment which was saying ukuthi babamseleko please give usne a bigger share, you know, in all the things that you're going to leave behind, you know, it because we love her. Anyways, mina I was thinking ukuthi okay, because usne, yes, usne kumele athole bigger share because usne doesn't have a mom who's living like a biological mom. Abanye bangcono because they have their mothers, but usne doesn't have a mom, so it would make sense actually for her to get a bigger share, even though ezayibhubhudla usne ibigger share. Guys, speaking of usne, it's so funny ukuthi usne, okay, first thing, she did an interview here on YouTube on the podcast About Nothing, and they were asking her what is usne up to now, you know, what is usne doing, you know, lately. What usne was like, hey, angifuni ukuqamba manga, angenzi lutho mina, akula nto engiyenzayo okwamanje. And then they did a follow-up, I guess months later. Kwathiwa usne wenzani ke nowadays, these days wenzani usne what hayi okwamanje angayenzi lutho. So uthi usne, if it wasn't for ingane zesithembu nothando nesithembu, uthi usne ngabe nje akala i-source of income except for the, I don't know, when they get kids allowance, children's allowance from their father, kusho usne nje ngaba akala i-source of income, because every time usne mayibuza ukuthi sne, what are you up to, what are you doing lately, usne uhlezi nje ethi amfuni nje ukuqamba manga. While these days okwalezi nsuku nje akukho nje engikwenzayo. Hi, Futusne, to think that there is a friend of hers who once advised her, Futusne, why don't you sell something, maybe sell wigs and all that. Usne wathi vele ngeke ngikhone into yokuthi mina bese ngilandelana imali yami ebantwini, ngeke nje ngikwazi. Usne guys, usne ay futhi shame futhi laleyo mali yewili le angayithola usne uzayibhubhula. We have, based on the past experiences, we know ukuthi uzayibhubhudla usne ngazathole kwa bigger share, nguye nje uzaqala ukuthi hayi eyami siphelile. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.